Mani Mahesh Kailash is a significant mountain peak and pilgrimage site located in the Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas, in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, India. Religious significance: abode of Lord Shiva. It is widely believed to be the sacred abode of the Hindu deity, Lord Shiva. Panch Kailash. It is considered one of the Panch Kailash, 5 Kailash mountains, mentioned in Sanatana Dharma. It is also known as Chamba Kailash. Mani Mahesh Lake. At its base lies the sacred Mani Mahesh Lake at an altitude of 4,080 meters, or 13,390 feet, which is the focal point of the annual pilgrimage. Etymology: the name Mani Mahesh signifies a jewel, Mani on Shiva's Mahesh's crown. Local legends state that on clear full moon nights, the reflection of a jewel on the peak can be seen in the lake. Shivling manifestation: a rock formation on the peak that resembles a shivling is considered the manifestation of Lord Shiva. The perpetually snow-covered peak is a major object of worship. Geography and trekking: peak elevation. The Mani Mahesh Kailash Peak has an elevation of approximately 5,653 meters, 18,547 feet. Invincibility: it is considered an invincible peak, with a local belief that no one has successfully scaled it, despite its relatively lower height compared to others like Mount Everest. Mani Mahesh Yatra. This is a highly revered annual pilgrimage trek to the Mani Mahesh Lake. Timing: it is usually undertaken during the Hindu month of Bhadan, corresponding to August-September, starting on Krishna Janmashtami and concluding on Radha Ashtami. Route: the most popular route is from Barmer to Hadsar, followed by a 13-kilometer trek from Hadsar to Mani Mahesh Lake. Dancho is a common overnight stop. Rituals: pilgrims take a holy dip, snan, in the Mani Mahesh Lake. Men and women are believed to bathe in the separate Shiva Kund and Gauri Kund, respectively, which are small water bodies near the main lake.